Good day, guys. Welcome to today's episode on our no deposit bonus offer. On today's episode, what we'll be talking about is a free $100 no deposit bonus. All you just have to do is just to register and verify your account. Immediately your account is being verified, the $100 no deposit bonus will be given to you automatically. As you can see, here are the offers you'll be given immediately after you are done registering and verified your account. The first one is $100 no deposit bonus, and another one is 100% deposit bonus. That is, if you deposit on your first deposit, you'll be given 100% deposit bonus. That is, if you deposit $100, you'll be given $100 in reward, and if you deposit probably $200, you'll be given $200 in reward. Then the total amount will be $400. Why the third offer on this particular project is $100 referral bonus. So if you refer a single person, you will be given $100 welcome bonus as a referral bonus. So those are the offer on this particular platform. And in order to before we proceed to the main bonus, is all we just have to do is just let us carefully read through the no deposit bonus and the and the referral bonus and the terms and conditions. The first thing says there's no deposit bonus. Get $100 no deposit bonus on registration. Trade the real market for free. All your profit is yours. Meet the 50 lot size requirements. That is, you have to meet up with 50 lot size requirements and all your profit will be yours. Another one is based on deposit bonus. Now we've gotten to deposit bonus. Based on deposit bonus, we are offering a client 100% bonus on first deposit alone. Simply make your first deposit and have it met with a free $100 bonus. A minimum amount of traded volume must be achieved. New or existing accounts who enroll in the bonus program and make their first deposit will receive a deposit bonus of $100. The more you deposit, the more the bonus fund your the more the bonus funds you will receive. Trading requirements do apply. Max loss of the account is the initial first deposit. You need to meet 50 lots per $100 requirement, and when we draw all your profits. So that is for the deposit bonus. Always note those points I circled. And based on the referral bonus, give your username to a friend and get $100 referral bonus. You will need to meet an additional 50 lots requirement to withdraw all your profits. In short, before you can withdraw either your referral bonus, deposit bonus, or welcome bonus, you are going to need 50 lot size to withdraw your bonuses. And for terms and conditions, one lot shall be equal to $100,000 of trading units. That simply means one lot is one standard lot size. Promotion is for Forex trading only. As you can see, it is mainly for Forex trading only. Round turn requirements are calculated only on Forex products, no CFDs or futures. So these things are calculated on Forex only. CFDs on futures, commodities or equities are not included. Carefully read all these things. Any deposit that exceeds 1,000 USD will be credited only with a bonus amount totally 1,000 USD, and any internal transfer from accounts shall not be considered as a depositor for promotion. That is, any deposit that exceeds 1,000 USD will be credited only with bonus of 1,000. That is for welcome bonus. That is for, I say welcome bonus, 100% deposit bonus. Once you deposit beyond $1,000, you will be credited with $1,000. So you won't be given beyond $1,000. And bonus accounts cannot be mixed with real accounts, and the deposit bonus accounts can be traded for maximum 1 month. For bonus accounts, you can only trade it for just ordinary 1 month. After the 1 month, you need to deposit the full amount of the equity to keep the account. That is, after 1 month, probably you haven't met up with the requirements for withdrawal, you need to deposit the full amount of the equity. That is, either your profit or your loss, you have to deposit it in order to have access to the bonus account again. Offer valid until expiration. As you can see, upon fraud, abuse or any other form of manipulation, the bonus is invalid. That is, immediately you manipulate, maybe open multiple accounts, stuff like that, then the bonus will become invalid. You are obligated to notify the support upon better issues on anything, including trading and pricing issues. So you are free to chat the support in case you have any issue with them. So those are the things about the terms and condition. The maximum amount of winning, only one bonus are very good. This is very important. It says only one bonus values for only one IP address. Another one is the maximum amount of winning is $200. That is for welcome bonus. You will get $200 bonus in your real accounts. So immediately you were able to trade all the required lot sizes. You need to trade 100 lots in 1 month before you withdraw $200. Then to withdraw $100, you need to trade 50 lots. To withdraw $200, you need to trade 100 lots in 1 month. So you need to verify your account before withdrawal. So that means before you can withdraw on this account, you need to verify your bonus, your account. So it is as easy as that. Then the next thing to do is just to register for the account. If you are sure, you can probably meet up with the requirements. Carefully read through the terms and conditions, everything, digest it, and once it's certain, you can meet up with it, then you can now register.